Installing a mezzanine card. Align the replacement mezzanine card over the socket and the guide pins and gently push the card into the socket. Tighten the thumb screws on the mezzanine card. Reinstalling the riser. Align the riser with the pins to the side of the riser socket. Lower the riser down on the pins. Push the latch down until it is flush with the sheet metal on the riser. Close the air duct. Rotate the air duct down to the controller module. Slide the air duct toward the risers to lock it in place. Install the controller module. Refer to the video titled Installing the Controller Module for the procedure. After installing the controller module, you need to complete the following actions. Run diagnostics. Restore the controller module to operation after running diagnostics. Refer to the education course for the procedure.